Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, today we will talk about a review gold or XAUUSD for this week, whether it's going to come crashing, okay, or it's going to rise for this week. Okay, so before that, please read through the forex disclaimer. Trading forex exchange on a margin carries a high risk, so this is just an educational video. Okay, so use it for your own analysis. Okay, so let's go. Hello guys, so we are looking at the gold right now. Okay, gold again, it's been trending quite bullish for almost about two years plus. Okay, or 2.5 years. Okay, from 2018, beginning of the 2018 or towards end of 2018, it has pushed the price from almost 1100 up to about close to 2100. Okay, so now if you look at it on a weekly time frame, it's kind of making a bullish flag. Okay, maybe I should. Okay, so if it's forming like a bullish flag. Okay, but at the same time it's also made or created a double bottom around 1760. Okay, so now the question remains whether this bull flag will be broken and then go all the way up to test this highest resistance around 2070, or it will break higher towards 2100, as what some hedge fund or fund managers have been predicting, that gold will go towards almost 2100 or 2500 by end of this year. Okay, but it's still quite far away to go. Okay, or alternatively it will just come down and then try to test this trend line, which is sitting around 1740 or around 1720. Okay, where there's a FIBO 38.2% is also residing. Okay, so maybe the bulls or the buyers, okay, probably will make a big buy around this zone. Okay, if the price reaches here, because this looks like a confluence zone. Okay, around FIBO 38, and at the same time there's a uptrend trend line is coming out all the way from middle of 2019. Okay, so we have a two scenario, whether it's breakout or just come down and then probably make a what do you call, people will be buying on dip. Okay, around 1740 to around 1720 zone. Okay, so this is where I'm looking at it. So now you can see it's creating a kind of a channel or bullish flag. Okay, whichever you call it. Okay, there is a possibility that this green line or light green line, this price, okay, might come and test again around 1915 level. Okay, which is just sitting nicely on this downtrend line. Okay, on the daily time frame, from probably August 2020, around mid last year. Okay, or like what I said, it probably come down and the test around this 1740 or 1720, or maybe even come all the way down, okay, to even up to about 1700 zone. Okay, to be more bearish pressure. Okay, that means sellers take control on this gold. Okay, but that's for more of a long term. Okay, but since most of the traders are on an intraday or scalper, okay, so if you look at the 4 hourly time frame, okay, so we have a possibility that actually gold, okay, tried to come back, because it had a strong rejection around 1760 1770 zone. Okay, and FIBO 23.6, okay, or FIBO 38 is sitting around 1840 to around 1800 here, and this downtrend line is also coming down around 1800 to 1810 zone. So I'm more biased towards gold will probably break out this trend line around 1790, then break up, and then probably come and test towards 1810, or maybe just break out and then I come back and test again around 1780 zone, and then go up to test this 1810 zone or 1805 around this, because I think there will be a bit of strong resistance or maybe a minor resistance that will be pushing price lower from this zone 1810. Okay, but if let's say if it's come back and got resistance, but this 1785, 1790 zone holds, and then probably will go back to break this trend line again, and then move towards this 1830 to 1845 zone again. Okay, so this will be more on the technical level that I'm seeing it. But again, towards end of next week, or towards end of this week, we have Congress House or lower house probably going to pass the bill on the 1.9 trillion what do you call the stimulus package. Okay, I think most likely they will get through there, but however the quantum, okay, it might be reduced, or there might be a what do you call there will be some rejection even from the couple of a few of Democrats from the lower house. Okay, so probably Biden or maybe Nancy Pelosi don't want to take the race. Okay, maybe they will reduce the quantum in terms of the what do you call it, the package, or maybe even the minimum wage increase to $15 an hour might be probably will be delayed to a later date, or maybe the bill will be kind of a delayed towards, I think, early March. I think that's where what do you call the most of the incentive or the claims going to expire. So probably the bills will be pushed towards end of or early March. Okay, instead of getting passed by end of this month. Okay, so that would make gold price will be ranging between bouncing back between 1840 towards the 1800 until they get clarity or being voted yes or no on the quantum. Okay, so I'm more biased towards this blue line. Okay, I'm expecting gold to go up to 1805 1810 zone, and then come down a bit to make a retracement, and then push up towards about 1840, then come down all the way to around 1750 zone, or maybe just without going up to 1840, it might be just what do you call it, rotate down all the way down back to 1750 or 1740 zone. Okay, so this next 2 days might be a bit of critical whether it breaks the trend line, okay, towards up, or it just follows the bearish downtrend, okay, towards 1750, 1740 or 1720. Okay, so but still gold in a way is kind of technically, I think, on a bearish pressure, but things might change if there is a geopolitical news or risk coming up, especially in the Middle East, or between trade war between US and China, or even over the weekend there is a attack by Russian soldiers, I think killing almost about 30 plus or 100 plus Daesh fighters, okay, in Syria, or sorry, in Yemen. Okay, so that might give a bit of a what do you call boost for gold to go up. Okay, so let's keep an eye on the news developing from Middle East or US, okay, on the bills as well as the geopolitical risk. Okay, and then we just follow, and also strengthening US will put pressure. Okay, so US 10-year is also increasing, and with the vaccine rollout, okay, with the efficacy being found out at Israel is almost about 98%. Okay, so we believe that will put pressure on gold to go down. Okay, with economy will open up very soon. Okay, so gold might be what do you call being bounced up and down from this level to this level, and then might make a breakout and then go for a bit of a lower low before it goes up, or you just break out a bit higher and then make a what do you call a higher high, okay, and then come back again, being rejected with a what do you call good news coming out from the vaccination, as well as the 10-year yield increase, or even US dollar strengthening, okay, or maybe US dollar suddenly picks up its safe haven what do you call favoritism, okay, then you will see gold being pushed lower. Okay guys, so that's all I have. Okay, have a great day. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. Thanks guys.